What's up, guys? Coming at you from the car again. Josh, why do you guys make videos in your car? My roommates are home right now, so their lives don't have to change because I'm filming a YouTube video. Anyway, let's get to it. This video, I'm going to be talking about how much money I made in January. Just kind of a standard entrepreneur YouTube channel thing people do. In the video, I'll be breaking down my sources of income and my goals for the next month. Roll the intro. So, my first source of income, my job, is currently the largest. I made $1,334. I work at a fancy steakhouse. I'm a server, so it's not the best job in the world. It's also not the worst job in the world. It, by itself, fits my basic needs at this point. It's not like, when I kind of first got the itch to start entrepreneurship and found social media marketing, I was really focused on getting out of the job because I was in school at the time, had just a lot of obligations that the job was getting in the way of. Right now, I'm currently taking a gap semester, and since I don't have all those obligations that come with school and being involved in extracurriculars and tests and homework and stuff, I don't have as much animosity towards my restaurant job. I actually really like everybody I work with, and I have a good time when I'm there, so I don't intend in the near future to quit that job, unless I end up somehow making a ton more from the businesses. But so that's what that job is. $1,334 this month, and it fluctuates. Like, I generally say I make around $1,500 a month from that job, and I work 4 days a week, and it's about 5 hours in the evening. So it works into my schedule. I got plenty of time to make a YouTube video before it, do some cold calling, do some work for the clients that I have currently. It just kind of fits in with what I'm doing right now. So yeah, like I said, I'm not trying to get out of there real soon. My next source of income this month is $500 from my social media marketing client. It is a dentist. I mentioned in a previous video that it's my friend's dad who is the business owner, so it kind of started as him kind of helping me out. But then I was able to bring him some results, so he's been working with me for a bit, and that price is probably going to go up soon. So cross my fingers for that. My third source of income, which was like the most surprising to me, is going to be affiliate marketing. I made $141 from affiliate marketing this month from my review video of the Ollie Chapman social media course. I made an affiliate sale and the video only has like 30 views, so that really astounded me that one of you guys would trust my opinion enough to click that video and buy the course through my link. So I really appreciate that. I definitely intend on providing more valuable content for this channel. And that's it for me so far. So this month I made $1,975, I believe, is what that adds up to. So my goals for this month are primarily to continue creating content on this YouTube channel and maybe bring in another stream from personal brand. And I am also going to be hitting the cold calls hard this week. Hopefully be able to sign another client or two in February. Hope maybe I've been thinking, I haven't called any jewelers. I'd really like to get a jeweler client, especially during February for Valentine's Day. Maybe get some quick impulse purchases, results for a jeweler. I have found that I cold call so much better when I'm on a Skype call with one or two more people. So if you guys wanna do some cold calls with me over Skype, put your Skype name down in the comments and I'll add you up. We can get some cold calls going this week. Looking to just increase my income for the month of February. I can usually rely on $1,300 to $1,500 from the restaurant job. That's not gonna change. I'm comfortable working the amount that I'm working there. I'm looking to sell a lot of stuff on eBay. That'll definitely be a way that I can boost my income a bit without having to do too much work. And yeah, then like I said, increase the personal brand, increase the affiliate affiliate marketing and increase, hopefully sign another client. So I'll be making a video just like this one at the end of next month to hold myself accountable, just to be transparent with you guys, be transparent with this channel, so you guys can follow this journey. And I look forward to looking back on this video in a couple months and seeing where I've gone from there. And this is the thing about documenting the journey from the beginning. You guys will be able to look back on this video and see where I was, see where I came from, and see what I've become. So subscribe if you want to follow along, get some tips along the way, increase the knowledge. You can always subscribe to another YouTuber. Doesn't hurt you one bit. It's free. Look forward to seeing you guys on my next video.